What's up you guys, Big Zin, this one from Bengali, and welcome to another refined Bengali tutorial where I'm going to go over good evening and good night with you guys. So let's get started on that one. Okay, so we're going to start off with Shubho Shantha or good evening. Here we have Shubho and Shantha. Let's break it down. This is Taliba Shuru Shu Shu. This is Bha Shubho. Donta Sha Noy Sanjukta Dha Jafala Akar. Shantha. Once again, this is Donta Sha Noi সংযুক্ত ধ জফলা আকার, and notice that this no is দন্তান no, and we're going to go over that in couple of seconds here. So তালিবাসর সু ভ শুভ দন্তাস নয় সংযুক্ত ধ জফলা আকার সন্ধ্যা. So what is this নয় সংযুক্ত ধ? What is this যুক্তাক্ষর, right? So let's go over this right now. We have দন্তান ন plus ধ, and you can also call this নয় সংযুক্ত ধ. But this weird looking thingy over here is comprised of dontan no and dha, and we call it no shongjukto dha. And you see that I've also written that in English. Wow, I don't even know when I wrote it. So no shongjukto dha, and that's where the sound comes, the shondha comes from. But then when you're writing shondha, notice that there's a jafala and there's the akar here. So I've literally written down the jafala here. I couldn't write the actual jafala. My keyboard gave me some problems. So I've written down jaw. This is still jaw for loakar fala jaw fala. So this entire thing is comprised of donta no dha, the jaw fala here, this guy, and then we got the akar right there, akar. See? So this is no shongjukto dha jaw fala akar, and then we add donta sho in front of it, and then it sounds like shondha. See, shondha. So it's a little tricky. I'm going to show you in writing like exactly how to write this on paper, but not in this tutorial, just to let you know, okay? But yeah, I'm definitely going to go over that because Bondhu is also comprised of this, and I've gone over Bondhu, but I've never actually gone over this Juktakkar with you guys. So this is Noy Shongjukto Dha, and then the Jafala and Akar gives you the Shonta here. So yeah, I hope this makes sense to you guys. If you guys have any question, comment, let me know below. Okay, let's go over good night or Shubho Ratri. Shubho Ratri. Talibashur Shu Shu Bha Shubho Boshinoro Akar Toirafalaroshi Ratri. Once again, this is Talibashur Shu Shu Bha Shubho Boshinoro Akar Toirafalaroshi Ratri. And notice that this is a Juktakkar, and we're going to break it down right now basically. But once again, it's Shubho Ratri. Talibashur Shu Shu Bha Shubho Boshinaro Akar Toirafala Roshi Ratri. Shubho Ratri. So Toirafala is To plus Boshinaro, okay? Or you can say To plus Ro. So it's you add these two and you get this A, but it has a matra on top of this. Okay, so To plus Boshinaro gives you Toirafala, okay? Toirafala is To plus Boshinaro. And you add the Roshi E with this and you get Ratri right here. So once again, Toirafala is just To and Boshinara put together, and then you add the Roshi E, and then we have this that belongs to Ratri over here. So Shubho Ratri is good night, but you can also say Shubho Ratro. I think I have a slide for that as well right there. Shubho Ratro. So it's basically Shubho, that stays the same, Boshinaro Akar, Toirafala. That's it. And as you can see here, this Ratro here does not have the Roshi Ikar. It's just Boshinaro Akar, Torafala. Just go back to the previous slide. I'll show you here. See the Roshi Ikar here? It's gone for Shubho Ratro. It's not there. So it's just Boshinaro Akar, Toirafala, Ratro. And that's another way of saying good night. But we usually use Shubho Ratri to say good night. But people sometimes use this as well, Shubho Ratro. So if you want to say good evening to someone in Bengali, you say Shubho Shondha, not Shubho Shonda, okay? And don't say Shubho. It's not Shubho, it's Shubho, okay? And if you want to say good night to someone, you just you can go ahead and say Shubharatri, or you can also say Shubharatro, which is just basically derived from Shubharatri. So that basically sums up this lesson here. Any question, comment, concern, let me know. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe. Big Z out.